It's Rick Jones back here with today's Tuesday 2-minute tip. My good pal Vince Thompson, who runs the Atlanta agency Melt Sports, Entertainment, and Culinary, has a brand new book coming out called Build Brand You. It's actually being published here in Charleston by my good friends at Advantage Publishing. While Vince's book is aimed at young people starting their careers, it's smart thinking for all of us because each of us is a brand. Have you thought about what your personal brand stands for? People know me as the captain. It means I'm your guide, I'm your leader, I'm your protector. That serves me well as the head of our agency. A captain has insights, expertise, and experience. He's been places and knows the ins and outs of those places. It's seldom my first rodeo. So what title would you give yourself? If you don't have one, you need one. And that's the Tuesday tip.